Today I am going to read English newspaper. BJP planning to demolish worship places in city. CM Atisi. Delhi Chief Minister Atisi accused the BJP on Wednesday of planning to demolish Hindu temples and a Buddhist site in various areas of the city, even as the Saffron Party refused the charge, alleging that she is trying to disturb communal harmony by making such a statement. Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva demanded that the Chief Minister withdraw her statement and warned that she would be held responsible if any untoward incident happens. The acquisition comes amid an intense political battle between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls due in February. Atisi wrote to Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena on Tuesday, claiming that a religious committee under him at its meeting on November 22 ordered for the demolition of six religious structures, including Hindu temples and a Buddhist worship place in different parts of the city. The LG's office rebutted the charge, accusing Atisi of indulging in cheap politics and claimed that no place of worship is being demolished, as no file in this regard has been received by it. Addressing a press conference on Wednesday, Atisi termed the rebuttal a complete lie and showed a copy of the minutes of the religious committee's meeting. The file of the committee's order was sent to the BJP led center's representative, the LG. The LG has given his approval to the decision, she claimed. The chief minister said the municipal corporation of Delhi district magistrates offices and police have been informed about the move and they are gearing up for demolishing the places of worship. Hitting back at the up leader, Sachdeva in a statement said the religious committee is chaired by the Delhi Home Minister and he reports both to the chief minister and the LG. The BJP leader demanded that Atisi clarify whether the Home Department under her government has made any such recommendation by making a statement about demolition of temples. The chief minister has tried to disturb the communal harmony of Delhi, he said. Sachdeva reminded Delhi of a similar scenario ahead of the 2020 polls when the Aam Aadmi Party raised issues surrounding the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA, and subsequently there were riots in the city, allegedly under the leadership of an AAP councillor. After the election, at the press conference, Atisi claimed that the six religious structures that are to be demolished are located at West Patel Nagar, Dilsad Garden, Sundar Nagari, Simapuri, Gokal Puri, and New Usmanpur, the Buddhist religious structure planned to be demolished in Sundar Nagari houses a statue of B.R. Ambedkar, she said. Atishi said since its formation, thank you guys for watching this. Hmm, formation. Okay. Following a Supreme Court order, the religious committee worked under the Home Minister of the Delhi government, and its decisions were approved by the minister. Recommendations and sent them to BSP chief Mayawati. The final decision on the. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.